Friends, welcome to the 100 MCQ series on geomorphology. This is the part 2. So let's begin with the question number. First one is the main factors in soil forming processes are. So as far as the soil forming process is concerned, there are several things which are dependent, like you have the climate. The climate, you have the different type of climates, like you have the glacial climate, you have the humid climate, tropical climates, you have the desertic climates. So based on the climates, there are different processes for the soil formation. Now if you will look at the topography is also plays an important role while the formation of soil. Like you have the planar areas, you have the mountainous areas. So these different areas will act as the different soil forming processes. Then if you will see about the bedrock is the rocks, and rocks are the aggregate of minerals. So based on the minerals, there are some minerals which are erodes very easily, like you have olivines, pyroxenes according to the Bowens reaction series, and you have the minerals which are more resistive. So bedrock condition is also determines the soil forming process. And the time is also important, as the larger the time, we have the more chances to get the soil. Okay, so here fourth option will be our right answer, that climate, topography, bedrock as well as time is factor are the factors in the soil forming processes. So now the second question is, choose the correct combination of the glacial agents and the associated features. Sorry, geological agents and the associated features. So you have the agents like rivers, glaciers, longshore currents, and winds. And here you are seeing some sort of associated features like spit. Spit is formed by the marine or the oceanic processes. So this is the wrong combination. While Yadang is a wind erosional feature, so it is also wrong. Then you have the longshore currents, Esker. Esker is related to the glacial activity. And finally the Ventifact, that is related to the winds or Aeolian landforms. So fourth option is the correct combination. Okay, so let us make me simpler, that oceanic processes will lead to formation of spit, then Aeolian process will lead to Yardang, then you have the eskers, these are formed by the glacial processes. Okay, so here fourth option is your right answer. Now let us move towards the question number third, the depositional features that form where a stream emerges from a mountainous region into a plain. So here is the picture. You can see that a river is emerging from the mountainous region and the plain is started. So during this meeting point, there is development of this type of structure, and this is known as the alluvial fans. Okay, while the natural levee is related to the old still or the flood areas, then the deltas are formed on the mouth of rivers, and point vards are related to the matured stage in where the river will flows like this structure. Okay, so here alluvial fans is the right answer. Now question number fourth one is, point bar deposit is associated with either braided river, estuaries, meandering or beach. So here in the diagram you can see that when the river is in the meandering type, this is the meandering type of river, something like this. So within this zone, these zones, these are known as the point bars. Okay, while the braided river is the river when you have the large load with respect to the carrying capacity. So you have the low carrying capacity or the large load, so it will deposit and river will flow something like this. Okay, so here between these areas the load will be deposited, and the feature is known as the braided river. While estuary is the part where river water meets the oceanic water, or we can say that the meeting point of fresh water and saline water. While beaches, you know that this is the continental shelf or the deposits of the continental shelf. Okay, so here, according to our question, third option meandering is our right answer. Now, question number fifth one is, which of the following is formed by the organisms? So you have the atolls, drumlins, outwash, and point bars as the options. So atoll is formed by the organisms, as you can see in this picture. Atoll is a type of coral reef, and you know that there are three types of coral reefs: fringing reef, barrier reef, and atolls. While if you will look about the drumlins, it is found in the glacial areas, while outwash is also related to the glacial areas, and point bar is related to the river areas or the alluvial processes. Okay, so here first option is your right answer, that atoll is formed by the organisms. So it's all about for today. Thank you.